Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change Crunchyroll to English. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for crunchyroll.com. After that, just go ahead and log in your account. Then now, as you can see here on my screen, I have the Espanol language, right? So this is the all of the text is on Spanish or Espanol. So now if you want to switch it back to English or to change it to English, what I need you to do is to scroll down. Okay, so you just want to scroll down and then now at the lower right side of your screen, you can see this, the Espanol button, right? So just go ahead and click on that. Then now just find the English language and click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, the page will be refreshed. And now as you can see, the language is now on English, right? So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.